it's me, Sophie, and again today we're going to make a very healthy fruit, which is a banana. So first, get a yellow clay, and if this is the first time you're making a banana, just roll into a sausage shape. Just imagine the sausage shape or like a boat shape. Can you imagine that? Alright, just do it like that. Gently press. You just have to add a tip to your banana, okay? And you don't need to have it perfect. As long as you're enjoying doing this, that's fine. So, as you can see, I pressed it, gently pressed it, okay? And then, so we have now the shape of a banana. So I get a small piece of a black clay. I rolled it and placed it into the tip or at the bottom of the banana to additional color and to look like a real banana. You see? So I make two of it, but if you want, you can make more bananas, okay? You see? And then I combine the two, and ta-da! We have now a banana. Good job, kids! And if you want to watch more videos and to be updated of my latest craft, just simply click on the subscribe button, okay? And eating banana is good for your health, guys. So see you again. Bye!